During global development of intelligent manufacturing, Hugong has built a strong reputation. Since its beginning in 1958, Hugong has become one of the largest welding and cutting equipment manufacturer in China. For its quality welding equipment, Hugong offers complete solutions for welding equipment, CNC laser cutting equipment, CNC plasma flame cutting equipment, robotic lines, and IoT welding and cutting management systems. Includes 18 different series and 2,037 SKUs, publicly listed on the Shanghai Stock Exchange. Hugong currently holds the greatest market share in its field. In order to provide customers with high-quality service, Hugong has built an extensive, integrated worldwide sales and service network. It covers thousands of outlets. The sales network has expanded into 110 countries and has been China's #1 exporter of welding and cutting machines since 2013. All new products are designed and produced to pass stringent global electrical safety and reliability standards. Hugong has attained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 approval. The whole system operation flow controlled by Oracle ERP, PLM, MOM, CRM, SRM, etc. assist in advanced informatization and digitization to deliver the high-quality service to customers. In order to provide customers reliable and consistent solutions, Hugong applies great emphasis to product development, create infinite possibility. All the products are approved by CE, ROS, REACH, SAA, CSA, UL, VDE, SASO, and CCC. Driven by consistent attention, technical innovation, and management improvement, Hugong has attracted an extremely experienced and professional team. Hundreds of patents being registered every year. Hugong won the China Patent Excellence Award. Hugong solutions are widely used in a variety of industries, including automotive manufacturing, offshore operations, power generation, shipbuilding, construction machinery, petrochemical equipment, pipeline, steel construction, bridge building, pressure vessel fabrication, general industrial manufacturing, and etc. Hugong has also participated in many international projects, such as National Convention and Exhibition Center, Beijing Olympic Stadium, Shanghai World Expo Pavilion, Shanghai Disneyland, Shanghai Maglev, East Sea Bridge, and Three Gorges Water Conservancy Project. Hugong endeavors to fulfill its social and ethical responsibilities in full. In the future, Hugong strives to provide its customers with advanced, high-quality, and competitive total welding and cutting solutions. Shanghai Hugong Electric Group.